Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I've just got back from holiday, and as you can see I've got a number of items to unbox. I've also got a number of items that I missed while I was away that I need to either collect from the post office or they're going to reattempt in a couple of days. Now, because I've obviously been away, I've lost track of what each item is. Usually, obviously, when you order things, you know a rough time scale of when it's going to arrive, so you know what's expected to be in each package, roughly. I know I've got it wrong in the past a couple of times, but you have a rough idea of what's due when, because you get emails, obviously, saying that things have been dispatched and things like that. But I've got no idea what is in any of these. So we're just going to unbox them all on the channel. I don't know if all of them are going to be precious metal related, but we'll do it anyway and we'll see what we've got. I've got myself a San Miguel. I'm really looking forward to having my first whiskey. I'm about to tell a lie there. I was about to say I didn't have a whiskey the whole time I was on holiday, but I did. I had one whiskey when we went to a restaurant. I tried a Japanese whiskey. Now, I know Jamie's probably going to ask in the comments section what whiskey it was, but I can't remember what it was now. I just saw it on the menu and it had in brackets Japanese whiskey, so I tried a double shot and it was actually really nice. It had lobster. We had like fresh lobster in a restaurant, and I tried a double whiskey because I hadn't taken any whiskey with me on holiday. I'd only taken beers with me. So yeah, I am looking forward to getting back in the regular setup and having a nice glass of whiskey. At the moment, the setup is looking a little bit messy because where I packed all the silver away before I went away on holiday, I've got loads of stuff on the desk and all the rest of it. So I thought I'd do this unboxing outside. Also, the weather's nice, so it's nice to make the most of it. Especially living in the UK, we don't see many of these nice sunny days. So yeah, we've got a little bit of silver here. This is the silver I took away with me on holiday. And let's get straight into these. Like I said, they're not all going to be precious metal related, but I'm not sure which ones are and which ones aren't. So we'll just unbox them all on the channel today, and then we'll see what we've got. Should have brought some scissors out here. Right, so the first one is... Okay, right, so obviously not precious metals, but still related to the channel. This is actually orange light. So this actually all lights up orange. And the plan is to put this in one of the empty whiskey bottles I've got. I'm going to try and work it so it goes in that single barrel JD bottle, because that's a really nice looking bottle. And the plan is to try and get this in a way that it lights up orange, has a kind of light in the backdrop. So I'm not sure how that's going to look, but I'm going to attempt to do that in the next couple of days, so you'll see how that turns out. So although it's not precious metal related, it is still to do with the channel. That's the first one. The next one is, oh, this looks like it is precious metal related. Now, I've actually ordered a couple of items on eBay whilst I've been away. And like I've said before in many videos, when you're ordering on eBay, you've got to be very careful. You've got to do a lot of due diligence. There's no point ordering from someone that's only got a handful of feedback, or someone that doesn't specialise in precious metals, because there's a high chance that it could be fake. So whenever you're ordering on eBay, you've got to be very careful. Now, some people compare the Silver Forum to eBay, but in my opinion, it's completely different. Now, if you watch one of Cobra Stackers and Creative Precious Metals' lives, I think it was their last live they did, in fact, or it might have been the one before the last one, I'm not too sure, but they did a live fairly recently, and Cobra Stacker described the Silver Forum perfectly. Now, the way the Silver Forum is set up is nobody wants to lose their feedback rating, and it takes a long while to build up a feedback rating on there and get respected by the community. So yeah, really trustworthy place to pick up precious metals, and I picked up many items when I first started stacking on the Silver Forum, so definitely recommend that. And like I said, watch that video back, because Cobra Stacker really goes into detail about how it kind of works on the Silver Forum, and I think he did a great job of explaining it. But let's get straight into this and see what we've got. Really nicely packaged. I'm probably going to have to run and get some scissors in a minute, because yeah, let's see. Apologies if the camera's a little bit shaky. Like I said, I've just quickly set the camera up to do these unboxings because my setup's not ready to start filming in just yet. We're getting somewhere now. Right, here we go. What have we got? Right, so, oh wow, this is nice. I didn't realise it was in a capsule. Right, so we have a 4 9s fine silver Perth Mint 1 ounce bar. Really, really nice looking piece. Now the person I brought this from actually had a Sigma machine in the photos on eBay that had really good feedback. They had sold many items of precious metals. They had strong sales reputation on eBay for selling precious metals, lots of good feedback. And like I said, they actually had a picture of this bar on a Sigma machine to prove its authenticity and to prove it's real silver. Absolutely gorgeous bar. I haven't got one of these yet, and I didn't realise it came in a capsule, but it's actually a really nice capsule. Look how thick the capsule is. You've got so much plastic either side to protect it. Really nice, and that's quite a nice design on the back as well, the kangaroos. Absolutely gorgeous looking 1 ounce bar. You probably noticed that I've been a bit addicted to 1 ounce bars the last couple of weeks. It's ever since I started collecting them again, because I want to fill up one of my stands in my backdrop. I want to have it completely full of 1 ounce bars. So I've gone on a bit of a rampage over the last few days, just searching for 1 ounce bars, designs I haven't got. But yeah, look at that, really nice. If I can get it out of the capsule, there we go, then I can show you it in all its glory. That's a really nice capsule actually, a really solid, thick capsule. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. Now I've said it many times before, Perth Mint is one of my favourite mints. It has such high quality silver, just really kind of a luxury mint. I put Perth Mint in the same category as I put Scottsdale Mint. I think they're almost like top of the league, if you like, when it comes to their designs and the quality that you get from their products. Absolutely gorgeous looking bar. Now I do apologise to those of you that haven't got some of these pieces that I've been showcasing the last couple of days, because I know what it's like. It's very addictive when you see a channel showcasing pieces of silver that you don't yet have in your stack. It's very hard to resist and not go out yourself and buy them. So please do be careful. Only pick up the items that I'm picking up if it suits your stacking goals, because I've been there and I've seen bars on other people's channels and coins and things like that, and I've gone out and bought them straight after watching videos, just because it's a very addictive hobby. It's very addictive to... Is this going to fit back in nicely? I'm not going to be able to get this back in as nice as it was, am I? Let's try and get it centre. There you go, that'll do for now. Yeah, it's a very addictive hobby. It turns everyone into magpies. Once you see a nice bit of silver on someone's channel, especially if you haven't got it in the stack already, sometimes it makes you rush out to go and find one. Right, let's get straight into the next one. This is a bit heavier, so I don't think this is precious metals, because I haven't spent, well, I was going to say I haven't spent a lot on precious metals recently, but I did buy all those coins from the Royal Mint the other day, but I haven't brought anything that I can remember since then. What have we got here? What have we got here? Ah, I know what this is. This has arrived really, really quickly. Right, so this is going to be a separate video in itself. Now, I was looking for a new wallet, and I've been looking for a new wallet for a while now, and I wanted something a bit more simplistic. And a lot of the new wallets that you get only have spaces for cards, the more kind of slimline ones. And I really wanted to find a wallet that I could still carry cash in, because for those of you that have watched my channel for a while, you'll know that I like carrying cash around. And I actually had a company reach out to me. This company actually reached out to me, and they said about sending me some items to showcase on the channel, and they've also given me a link that I can share for people if they're interested to also go and pick up some items, and you get a discount. It's almost like a referral link. I think I get a percentage if someone buys, and also if you buy you get a percentage off and all the rest of it. But yeah, I need to look into it a little bit more. But yeah, I'll save this for a video in its own. But it's basically, I was looking for a new wallet. This company reached out. I get quite a lot of people reaching out. Now I've got a few, well, ever since I got kind of over 1,000 subs, I started getting emails from different companies asking me to kind of showcase their things, unbox their things on my channel. And 9 times out of 10 I turn the companies down, because like I've said before, I'll only ever unbox things on the channel and take kind of sponsorships if I think it's going to benefit my audience. I always get crypto companies message me, and they offer you insane deals. They say if you upload a 15-second video advertising this crypto coin, they'll give you like $2,000 and all this sort of stuff. And obviously I turn those down because that doesn't fit in with my channel. But like I said, I was looking for a wallet, so when this company reached out to me, it kind of worked well because I was already looking for a wallet, so it made sense for me to kind of accept this deal. Now these are actually the money clips. Like I said to them that I really need a wallet that carries cash as well, so they've actually sent me some money clips. I'll unpackage those on another video. And also these wallets, they also have compartments for cash as well. So yeah, really cool. Like, it's one of those things where I was already on the hunt for a new wallet, and then in the inbox arrived a email about a company sending me a wallet to unbox on the channel. So yeah, it kind of came at the right time. But we'll save that for another video. That deserves its own video because they are really, really nice wallets. And also, like I said, there is a code, so if anyone wants to pick up them, they can use my code and they can get a discount. Let's get straight into the next one. What have we got here? Now this has got the right weight to be precious metal. You can normally tell if it's kind of weighted one side when you open these sort of packages. It's actually quite exciting, because like I said, I don't really know exactly what's going to arrive. Here we go. So these are some more 1 ounce bars for my YouTube stack. How many did I get? 3. These are cool. I've never actually seen flips made for 1 ounce bars before. I've obviously seen flips for coins and rounds, but I've never actually seen flips shaped like this. Oh no, it's not even a flip, is it? No, these are actually factory seals. I thought it was a flip. So I've got the whole dilemma again now. Do I cut them out? But no, these are going to be cut out because these are going to be for my YouTube stack. But I've got a buffalo round there. Now I am actually going to do a video in the future debating whether these are buffaloes or bisons. I know the stack collector quite often tells me that the buffalo rounds are actually bisons on there. But I find it very interesting that the websites advertise them as buffaloes, but in fact they're meant to be bisons. So I will do a whole video on that, and we can decide once and for all whether buffalo rounds are actually bison rounds or not. This is a USA flag. I thought it's only right to get one of these in the stack, as I do have a lot of subscribers that are from the USA. Really nice looking piece of silver as well. And I'll have to do a separate video cutting these out, because like I said, I haven't got any scissors on me right now. But yeah, I thought that was really cool how you've got the flag on one side and then you've got a nice design on the other side as well. Really, really nice pieces of silver. And then this one, look at this is quite cool. So we can actually get this one straight out. It's in like a sealed bag. These are more easy to get out, aren't they? If only they all arrived like this. Oh, I spoke too soon. There we go. Look at that. What a gorgeous piece of silver. Made in USA. Absolutely gorgeous. I really love the look of silver in the daylight as well. There's nothing beats silver in the daylight. It's such a nice colour, a nice shine. So yeah, look at that. We've got a really nice stack coming on now of 1 ounce bars. Like I said, I've been a bit carried away over the last couple of weeks with 1 ounce bars. I've been grabbing them up, snapping them up. So yeah, that's all of the unboxings done. As you can see, we've got a real mixture, so we'll save that for another video. Like I said, that deserves its own video because that is actually from a company that sent it to me to unbox on the channel. And then this is also for the backdrop. I'm going to try and make something really cool with this, so we'll see how that turns out. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my afternoon with my beer, make the most of the nice weather, and then hopefully the next video you'll see me back in the regular setup, because I am looking forward to getting back in the regular setup and showcasing all of these silver bars on the stand, see how they look. As always, thanks very much for watching, thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.